Hello YouTube, Barring Ross. I have a new printer, a 3D printer. It's Anycubic i3 Mega with Ultrabase. And this is just a wonderful present for me. I love it. I've always wanted a 3D printer, the moment I tried my brother-in-law's printer, which by the way is a Tivo Tornado. Always wanted to buy that. This is cheaper than that, but performance is great. The only issue compared to those kinds of printer is it's the model that you can print, because this is limited to just 200 millimeter. So, but still, I can print my Lebron. Okay. So I printed this I bought this model license to print from cgtrader.com. So if you're into 3D printing, I guess you've heard about Thingiverse. Those are free, but there are other sites that you have to pay for a license to print or license to, just like this. And I got a good deal. Nobody has bought this, I think, because no reviews, it's 0 reviews. But I got a Lebron that is on Lakers. I did this as my test print. So you can see there's still support. So that's the head and torso. These are the limbs. Sorry, not the limbs, the legs. And this is the left arm. And the right arm with the ball. And the shoes. Two pair of shoes. What kind of Lebron is this? Looks like a Reebok. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this. Overall, the time I printed this probably took me the whole day. I started printing last night, so I've got some failures because this arm I printed this way at the same time with all the shoes. I tried to save time, but in the process I wasted a lot because I did it like this, so the support is just so minimal. That's why it failed. But so I turned it over like this and did the slicer, and look at the support. So it's all well supported. Same thing here. So that was my failure. So I just printed how it was sent as an STL file, which you shouldn't do. Now I learned my mistake. See. Oh, okay, remove this. This is, by the way, is a PLA, and it came with the printer. See how good is that? Very good printer, free filament. But how can you remove this? Oh, okay, I should be more prepared then. Okay, now working properly. So this is how it's supposed to be. And with arms, actually, let's try this first. So there you go. So it's just like this. It's flying. It's dunking. Actually, it's about to dunk. Signature dunk. And the other shoe is this. But I'm having problems with the support. Really? Okay. Oh, by the way, I just printed this with minimal. My mistake again. Probably I'll redo this because you can see some holes there. I made it too thin. The wall, I made it really thin. So this was my first print, so it was kind of improved on the last few ones. I made it a little bit thicker. I'm having problems removing the support. Okay, we'll try this now. There. This is the one I printed. This was last night. I should have removed the support back there, because now it's really hard. I don't know if that's even made sense what I said. I don't know. as you can see, peeling off. This kind of cube now will be the one that you should save. Of course, it's not a support. Any support you have to remove. There, what is this? Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's dangerous here. It's on a spot that I may break the hand. Oh, wow. Seriously? I never had these problems before. I mean, when I printed... Wow, this is really a strong support. I don't know what's the settings were. Supports are really solid. Really solid. Well, anyway, I just wanted to share it to you. I will be printing this, painting this. The good thing about the white filament is it's really nice. I mean, although contrast wise, you can't see the details, but it's nice to print it on white. Okay, YouTube, if you're asking me what's my initial assessment of this, for me it's 4 to 5 stars, close to 5 stars. It's just amazing. I love it. The only thing that I wish is gonna be bigger, but with the price, I guess you have to pay for it. Well, thanks again, YouTube. Subscribe. Bye.